guys, welcome to another video of Run Adventures. Today, we're going to be building the Intense Sniper XC mountain bike. So me and my dad are going to be building this, and we're going to show you guys how to build it and the steps it takes to build it. So inside the package, it's a 29-inch wheels, and then it's a large frame. So when you open it up, you're going to see a lot of the stuff. So in here, it's going to be like your like toolkit that you're gonna need to build it, and then there's the bike. So inside the toolkit that was inside of this thing where the wheel is, it comes with quite a bit of stuff actually. Ooh. Here, man. So it comes with 2 water bottle carriers. Some weird piece, no clue what this is. It comes with a reflector. It comes with a couple different reflectors. A valve thing to go a couple of valve things to go tubeless. A screw. And your 3-way. And then an Allen, so that way you can work on the bike. So and then some instructions and stuff in here. Okay, so next step on building an Intense Sniper XC is you're gonna take out the handlebars. And then you're gonna go to the left side. So you wanna take off the left side to the handlebars. You wanna take it off. So that way you can get to the dropper post. So that way you can raise up the dropper to put it on the bike again. So we're going to take off this side. Okay, so you want to take off the whole left side so that way you can get to the dropper. And then you want to push on the dropper post to let the dropper come up. And then the next part is you're going to have to be careful with the handlebars, but you're going to pull out of the bike. Ooh, that's stuck in there pretty good. So you're gonna pull out the whole bike, and then you're gonna put it up onto the stand. Next step to building the bike is you want to take off the first wheel it's on, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna figure out where to go around that to cut it off with some sort of wire cutters or some sort of cutters to cut it. And you want to be really careful with the wheel. And then there's one on each side. So you want to cut off both. And then you're going to take off the first wheel. Just set it off to the side for now. And you want to go to the other side. Go over here. Get that off. And now you get all your wheels off. Okay, so next we're gonna take off all the scraps that are on it, and then we're gonna start putting on the rear shifter, and then the wheels. There definitely is a lot of stuff on here though that you want to take off. And down at the bottom under here, where the chain is, there's a little plastic piece that you're going to take off with cutters. This one's definitely the harder one to take off. There you go. And then you're going to want to take off this thing back here for the derailleur. So, and then you're going to mount the derailleur up here. Haven't figured that out yet. Take that off. And then the rest of it is up here at the front. Where the cutters. Last part is you want to take off all the stuff to the fork, and that's a round fork, but you don't want to cut any of the wires. So this stuff right here you want to leave. Cut this one right here. And there might be some tension. Oh, no, never mind, there was no tension on that. Kind of surprising. We take that off. And you're going to go to the bottom. That off. That off. Then take that off. Okay, so next is, okay, so let's see. Okay, so next is you're going to do the derailleur. So the derailleur back here is going to mount like right here. Oh, there's still this right here. I'm still missing a couple of guys. I want to take that one off, and then there's one more up here at the front of the chain. Actually, I'm just going to leave that one until the end, because that might be easier. Okay, so next, if you look right here, it's going to show number 5. So number 5 is what you want to use for the derailleur. And you're going to put it in, and then start spinning it. You're just going to snug it, and then we'll do final torque at the end to torque all the things down. So next is we're going to do the rear wheel. So you're going to pull the thing out and put the rear wheel in. Okay, so next you're going to pull this out. There's a piece in here, and you're going to turn it, and you're going to unscrew it until it pops out, and you're going to pull it. You're going to pull it out. And then you're going to go get the rear wheel. Okay, so next you're going to go to the rear wheel, and then you're just going to pull it up. And then it's going to show the gasket and stuff. And then you're going to pull this thing out. And then you got to be careful. There's a piece on here that you're going to want on the rear wheel. You're going to pull it off. And you're going to put it in. Back out had it. You're going to push it on. And then on the other side, there's a cap or something that you want to take off. Okay, so next you're going to take the wheel and you're going to put it on the smallest gear it can. And there's a tab in here, you're going to pull it. So that way, if you do squeeze the brake, it's not going to lock it up. And then you're going to take the wheel. You got to be careful, you want to line this up. You want it like this. You want to put this in. Okay, so then you're going to want to put the thing back in. Just like that. You're going to tighten it. Once you get it tight, you're going to spin the thing. And then you're going to, once you spin it, you're going to want to make sure that it's, that the brakes are good. So that way it doesn't, because you want it to be able to like spin longer than you want it to be able to spin for a little bit. So if the rear wheel doesn't spin longer than usually about like a minute. Oh, the cardboard. I need the cardboard out real quick. Okay, got the cardboard here. Okay, and you're gonna spin the rear wheel, and it looks pretty good. Yep, it looks pretty good. Okay, so next you're gonna go to the handlebars up here at the front, and so you're gonna spin this piece right here. You're gonna hold that straight, and then you're gonna somehow turn this piece around. You're gonna loosen this part up a little bit with the number 4. You're just gonna put it in. Loosen them up a little bit. You don't want to take it all the way up, otherwise, you don't want to take them all. And you want to loosen that one. Turn it. And you want to line them up with the front. So you want the fork to be straight, and you want this part to line up directly down with that. You're gonna tighten it. Tighten both. And you're just going to get them snug because you're going to fully tighten them down later. And then next you're going to take this part off so that we can get the handlebars on. Okay, so next we're going to do the handlebars. So the handlebars, you're going to take off the box, which is just pulling out another one of those tabs. There we go. And you're going to pull it up. Take this thing off. Somehow you're going to take this off. You're going to like that. And then you're going to look. So this side's the gear shifters. So it's going to go up like this. It's going to go up just like this. To where it says intense. And you're going to line up the thing. There's a little piece on here. And then you're going to line it up with the intense symbol up at the top. Just like that. Okay, so you're going to tighten them to how you guys want them. So for now, we're going to tighten them just like this. We can adjust them later. And like this. And you want to go across. So you want to go from one to the next one. And you want to go up to the top again. And you want to go to the bottom one until they're all tight. Once it's almost on, you want to push it back to the middle again. And this one. And then you just want to keep going here across until they're all tight, and you'll crank them down later. And then you're just going to pull off the sides, and then you're going to go to the front wheel, and then you're done. And then you're going to pop up the front and your rear shop, and then you're done with the bike. And you're going to adjust it how you want it. Okay, so next is you're going to take the the three-way again, and then you're gonna go to the front. This one you have to take off with this thing. This is the 6. You're gonna unscrew it. And then once again, you're gonna have to pull out the tab. So like that. And you're gonna pull out the tab down here. And then you're gonna take off all the stuff on the wheel. That one off. That one off. And this thing is dropped all of a sudden. So then you're gonna take this thing out. And then this time there's nothing on it. And then there's the cap again. These caps are harder to get off, but if you just take this thing, you can just kind of push it through and get it off. And then next step is you're gonna put the wheel on. Like this. Put it on, and then you're gonna put that. And once you do that, you're gonna take number 6 again, and then tighten it. There you go. There you give it a little push, and then they go right in. Tighten it, crank it, and then you'll crank it down later. And then you're gonna do the spin test again. Spins good. And then you're gonna pump up the wheels, pump up your front fork, so because they only come with this much, so you don't want to ride it yet. What you want to do is you want to move these out of the way. You're gonna undo the cap. And then you're just gonna pump it up. So thank you guys for watching another video of Brown Adventures. Hope you guys found this video helpful to you guys, for you who need to build the intent. So thanks for watching another video of Brown Adventures. So please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.